Robert from Spring has a question about water heaters.
It's time to change both of his, Tom. Robert writes to us, he says, my question is, should I change my gas water heaters to tankless or stay with the same boiler type that I've had? I'm planning on living in the home, he says, for his golden years. He's 45 years old, and it's a 2-story, 3,600 square foot house built in 1993 for whatever that's worth. So, Tom, Robert wants your advice. What would you say?
First off, just because you want to live through your golden years and you're 45 doesn't mean you won't be buying a new water heater in the future. They only last maybe 20 years. So if Robert's going to go young, it'd be one thing. But if you got golden years, you're going to be buying more water
Even
heaters.
A tankless one would only last that long?
Yeah, there's going to be 20 years or so. Things break down. You'll end up replacing them. If you have hard water, you don't have a water softener, it could be 13 years. Mm-hmm. So you have different issues you're going to deal with when it comes to water heaters. So this whole idea is I'm going to do it once and do it forever and never do it again at 45 years old, I think is you're fooling yourself. But secondly, I would just go back with the tanks, and you will replace them somewhere close to your golden years. I think probably before, actually. I think you'll still be working.
By that math, be about right at the prime of his golden years.
Well, yeah. So just do it what I think is probably going to be the most cost effective. Going to an on-demand gas water heater is great, but it's going to be super expensive, and it's not going to help you in your golden years. That's the part I wanted to get at.
Got it. There's a variation on a theme of questions we got recently from people who wanted to take care of all their repairs before they retired.
Yeah, and you're always going to have house maintenance and repairs. Right. It's just the way, whether you're 89 or whether you're 49.
The only way to escape that is go move over to Eagles Trace or something. All right?
Yeah, you can go to a home.
That's it. All right. You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us. Use the Ask Tom form. You'll find it at HomeShowRadio.com. And by the way, check out some of these other videos. That's how we'll answer yours.